Welcome back to WatchAdvisor on YouTube. It's Alexander speaking, your host, and in this video I present you the TAG Heuer Monaco Gulf Special Edition chronograph and the TAG Heuer Carrera X Porsche Limited Edition chronograph.
Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell to get our latest notifications.
This chronograph mirrors the colors of the Gulf brand that became iconic in the world of racing thanks to its defining livery of vibrant blue and vivid orange. And I think we all have seen these cars being painted in that colors, racing in Le Mans and many other racetracks. And it was at the time being the Swiss Joe Siffert, who was a friend of Jack Heuer at the time being, and he was one of the first ambassadors, racing ambassadors as we know them today and as we see them today in Formula One and all the other sports. And he was the one who brought together that connection, Gulf, Heuer and Porsche. And it is since then that the brand celebrates this chronograph as you see it now on your screen. It was in 2007 that TAG Heuer decided the first time to create a Monaco edition using the Gulf colors, and since then we know that, and you know that these timepieces are highly sought after and highly collectible items. Yes, and look how cool is that chronograph with that beautiful used colors of the Gulf team. And close your eyes for a little second, guys, and watch those cars racing in Le Mans. Wow, vibes come through literally when I think about that. Of course, the design of the Monaco 2022 continues to be based on the three iconic Gulf colors, but this time in a more contemporary color combinations. The special dark blue, turquoise and orange, and with these new elements and a little twist, this new TAG Heuer, unfortunately not Heuer Monaco Gulf version, becomes all the more unique and features more refined Gulf touches. Why couldn't, what do you think? Should they have called the watch only Heuer? I think it would have been a good idea to take away the tag from that watch and really call it Heuer. What do you think? The comment sections is the place where you should tell me your opinion. The stainless steel case has a diameter of 39 millimeters, a thickness of 15.1 millimeter, and a lug-to-lug distance of 47 millimeter. The watch or the case features a domed beveled sapphire crystal. You can nicely see this in our video when I'm turning the watch, and you see that domed sapphire crystal looks gorgeous, really gorgeous on that case. And this rectangular shaped watch is so unique. Watch lovers, enthusiasts, aficionados recognize the watch from at least 10, 15, 20 meters away from a wrist when they see one. So the case is waterproof up to 100 meters. That's also good to know. It's a real sports watch. The watch is powered by the Calibre Heuer 02. That's an in-house manufactured chronograph with a column wheel and a vertical clutch. It is done in-house, has been conceived in-house, and is based on some historical calibers of the brand. So the functions are hours, minutes, seconds, and of course the chronograph. We do have 3 counters at 3 o'clock in silver opaline, the minute chronograph counter, and with an orange lacquered hand. At 9 o'clock, a silver opaline hour chronograph counter with an orange lacquered hand, and at 6 o'clock it's the running second. The watch dial also features rhodium plated, polished, faceted, applied indexes. Yes, and the hands are filled with a super luminova, so the watch also looks nice in dark surroundings. The Monaco comes with a blue calfskin strap, and on the inner side you see that prominent orange, looking gorgeous. And yeah, it features a polished steel folding clasp with a double safety push buttons. Yes, that's standard today, and that's how it should be. Have you seen that the 12 o'clock index is replaced by the number 60? Yeah, polished and rhodium plated prominently on the dial. That's not a coincidence, of course. It is a nod to the racing number on the Porsche Golf racing cars, of course. You know that. I don't tell you anything new at all. Even though the Monaco is a bit thick, yeah, it fits perfectly, at least in my humble opinion, on my 17 centimeters, 6.7 inches wrist, and looks gorgeous. And yes, I have to admit, yeah, I'm used to wear such thick and big watches, and yeah, I do own this before mentioned 2007 Golf watch, so I'm really used to wear it, and I very much like it because yeah, it is unique. What you see is unique. When you look on the wrist and you see such a rectangular shaped watch, you immediately know that's the Heuer Monaco. So now let's switch to the next Porsche watch. On your screens comes the Tag Heuer Carrera X Porsche Limited Edition. That's a 44mm watch, steel case, black DLC coated, and features a ceramic black tachymeter scale with that prominently written Porsche sign on it. Yes, it's a cooperation in between Porsche and Tag Heuer. Thickness of the case is 15.2 millimeter. The lug-to-lug distance is 45.5 millimeter. And the case is water resistant up to 100 meters. Well done. So this is a watch you can always use also for your outdoor activities without needing to worry about water. 100 meters is something, come on. In difference to the Monaco, the Carrera is a limited edition of 1,500 is the limitation, and it comes, of course, with an appropriate box, etc., etc. We unfortunately couldn't film these boxes because they weren't available yet when we filmed them at Watches and Wonders, but I am sure that they look gorgeous. Why is there so much yellow on the watch? That's easy to explain. It is inspired by Porsche's racing yellow Pantone, and Porsche reserves this yellow for its sportiest vehicles. That vibrant Porsche yellow can be seen or is seen if you look at the watch on the Porsche logo on the ceramic bezel, as well as on the lacquer in the crown and in the graphic details present in small touches on the dial and on the second hand. Yep, and if you look correctly, of course, also on the strap. The second important color of that watch is, of course, black, and this is why the case has been treated in highest quality possible with a diamond-like carbon DLC treatment with its extreme, elegant, deep color look and unfailing resistance, so it's almost scratch resistant, and a nice treatment you can give a steel case if you want to make that case look differently, and that's really a really deep black, and it is perfectly matching that vibrant yellow, of course. Such a chronograph, of course, deserves a in-house Calibre, and it is, as said already before, the Heuer 02. It is also powering the Monaco. And what is the Heuer 02? It's a movement manufactured entirely at the Tag Heuer factory in Chevenay. It consists of 168 parts. It is a column wheel, I said that before, column wheel chronograph with a vertical clutch, yep. And also good to know, 80 hours of power reserve, so not bad at all. I've been talking about that yellow Pantone that Porsche likes very much, and look at our dark shot. Yes, it is also present on the superluminova of the dial, which lights yellow in the dark. So what would you say, rectangular or round shaped? What would be your favorite? Both are very strong characters, I would say. And yeah, in the comment sections, please let me know what you think about these sporty chronographs, the Gulf Monaco or the Carrera Sport chronograph, where they partner with Porsche. Let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite, what you think about those watches, how they wear on my, once again, 17 centimeter, 6.7 inches wrist, etc., etc. The comment section. Please use it and let's communicate. Thanks for watching the video, and be sure to also watch the other video where I present the diving watches. And of course, if you have not watched it yet, please do also watch our video where I interview Frédéric Arnaud, the CEO of the brand, 27 years young and doing a good job so far. So there's a bright future to come for the brand. Bye bye, thanks for watching, and see you back here on WatchAdvisor on YouTube.